All right, algebra students, let's look at Unit 4, Lesson 8, Interpreting and Creating Graphs. So we have three goals here. I can explain the average rate of change of a function in terms of a situation. So we want to be able to take our understanding of rate of change and be able to explain what it means in each individual graph or situation. What is it showing? I can make sense of important features of a graph and explain what they mean in a situation. Remember some of the important features, such as a minimum or a maximum, the intercepts. We want to be able to look at those and understand what they mean within the graph and be able to explain that to other people. When given a description or a visual representation of a situation, I can sketch a graph that shows important features of the situation. So when we're given information, we should be able to pick out what some important features would be, and then we can give a rough idea of what that graph would look like based off of the information we have. So our vocabulary terms are basically the same. So we have decreasing function. Any situation, any part of a graph where the graph is going down as it moves from left to right. Increasing function. Any part of a graph where the graph is going up as it goes from left to right. Horizontal intercept is any place where a graph touches the horizontal axis, and otherwise known as the x-axis. Vertical intercept, any place where the graph crosses the y-axis or the vertical axis. A maximum is our highest point on the graph. Our minimum is our lowest point on the graph. And our newest word or term, average rate of change, which remember is the difference of the outputs of two spots on a graph divided by the difference of the inputs of those two spots of the graph. All right, so in this warm-up, we're doing a which one doesn't belong. So which graph doesn't belong? So we have four different graphs, A, B, C, and D. So what I need you to do is determine, based off of the look of the graphs and what you see here, which one do you think doesn't belong with the other three, and bring an explanation to class. That will start our discussion tomorrow. Thanks.